manufacturing processes. Let me see about stamping process, welding, hemming, painting, assembly sequence, and the BIW fixtures. Okay. So first we will see about the stamping process. Here, most of the BIW parts or all the BIW parts, it will be manufactured by stamping process only. Okay. So within a single stamping operation, we can't get the BIW part. Okay. There are some sequential of operations which will happen in order to get the final BIW part. Okay. Let me explain what all the sequences of operations. Okay. Through some video on the PPT. Okay. Before that, first we have to understand how the raw material delivered to the automotive company. Okay. So this is the rolled sheet which will be shared by the steel makers to the automotive company, various thickness, various material grades. In the previous sessions, we have been seen various grades of material and thicknesses, right? These are the various grades of the steel panel that will be shared to automotive company. Okay, this is the raw material for us, the steel plate. Okay, first operation after we received the rolled sheet, okay, they will stretch it and it will be cut into various shapes. Okay, so this is the sheet. It has been cut based on the size of the pot. This stretched sheet will be chopped off small pieces. This operation is called as a blanking operation. Okay, this is the blanked sheet. Okay, this is the initial the raw material towards the stamping operation. This blank sheet will be kept in the then stamping tool. Okay, this is the complete stamping tool setup. This is upper die and this is the lower die. In this upper die and the lower die area, we used to keep the extra, that means the exact shape of the part. How does it looks? So these are some pins, okay, in order to prevent the part movement. Here you can see, this is the door outer panel part. This door outer panel shape has been carved in the upper die and the lower die. At several tonnage of load will be applied to this sheet metal part in order to getting the shape. Okay, this is the operation number 2. First operation is a blanking operation. From the raw material, we stretch and cut. This is operation number 2. This is stamping operation or drawing operation. The same thing. Okay, this concept I will explain. Then this is the next stage. In this stage, excessive material will be removed. This is trimming operation. Okay. Then flanging operation will be happen. Finally, it will be delivered to the assemble line. So these are the basic sequences of the BIW stamped part. So here you can see the animation video of the stamping. This is the raw material. It will be stretched. This is the blanking operation. Blanking. The B pillar shape will be cut in the blanking operation. Then this will be feed into stamping. That means this is hot stamping. So they will heat it. This is the press tool, which will have the upper die and the lower die. They will stamp here at several tonnage load. Then it will be move into the next stage. That is the flanging and the trimming operation. Here the final cut. It will be happen via laser welding. Okay. So this is the basic flow of the BIW structural part: blanking, forming, trimming, flanging, piercing, then final part. Okay. Additionally, we have some other operations, that is cam piercing and cam flanging, that I will explain through the video. Okay. This is the complete die. This is the lower cushion draw die. This is upper binder shoe. This is the blank area. This is the lower binder ring, punch cap, and the lower shoe. Then the press ear spin. This is the hydraulic one, and the press bed. These are the basic nomenclature for the press tool. So you no need to remember those things, since this is taken care by manufacturing team. Just for your reference, I am saying. So detailed video has been given here. I will share the link. Kindly go through it. First, they will keep the blank. This is the lower die, that is the upper die. Then several tonnage of the load will be applied. Okay. Here some extra material. They will keep it for the stamping. The reason is in order to control the spring back effect of the stamped part. Okay. This is a sheet metal part. Okay. It will have some spring back effect. Okay. So if you don't add this kind of extra part and this kind of bead, okay, then this part, it tries to come to its original position once the load release. Okay. In order to prevent that, they will add this kind of area, this addendum they used to call it. So I don't want to go in depth towards that. Okay. So kindly just follow the stamping flows. First, this is the drawing operation or the stamping operation. Trimming operation. Trimming and piercing operation will be happen. Trimming means removal of unwanted pieces. The same information has been given here. Okay. So here, this is the trim cutter. It will remove the unwanted material from the part, and it will create the hole punch. This is the piercing operation. Here together trimming and piercing will happen simultaneously. Next, once the trimming and the piercing has been happened, the next operation is the flanging operation. Once this trimmed part has been kept, then this is the flange tool, which will bend the sidewall area. The trimmed part has been kept. It is bend and create the flange. The side flanges are created by flanging operation only. Okay. After the flanging, then we have some additional, some special operations. This will be not applicable for every part. Okay, several cases, this two operations will be applicable. Okay, that is cam flanging and cam trimming. First, I will explain cam flanging, then I will explain cam trimming. So if you want to bend the part towards the side area, that time we have to go for cam flanging. This area, the flange has been kept made same direction of the stamping tool. The previous one, okay, this flanging, okay, this happen on the same direction of the stamping direction. This is the stamping direction, from top to bottom. The flanging also happen from top to bottom only. Okay, but in this case, this is the stamping direction, but the flanging direction is against the stamping direction. This is not exactly same direction, this flange. So this operation is called as a cam flanging. When we can't able to make a flange like this in the stamping direction. So additional one cam which will come and make the this one flange. This operation is called as a cam flanging operation. This area, it is called as a cam. This one and this one. This is the cam flange area. This is the cam operated one. And finally, I will explain about cam trimming. Again, it's same like a trimming operation only. But in the trimming operation, we removed same direction as the stamping. In this, it will be removed from the sideways. Not the trimming will be not happen in the same direction of the stamping from the side area. If you have been trimmed or piercing, then we used to call it as a cam trimming or cam piercing. So these are the basic operations in the stamping. Okay, blanking, stamping or form drawing operation, trimming, that is the removal of excessive material, flanging operation, then cam piercing operation. Finally, we will get the part, left hand side and the right hand side. Mostly the stamping, okay, they will not create a separate tool for left hand side and the right hand side. Both the things, major parts like body side outer, okay, roof or the hood, like this, okay. Bigger parts, we will not have a single stamping, the separate stamping will be there. Remaining all other parts, okay, it will be stamped together for left hand side and the right hand side. Finally, we will separate this one. This is the usual procedure in the stamping process in order to save the tooling cost. Okay. Now, what about the